Hello, this is Jamie with Creations Misfit, and today I'm going to do a yarn giveaway. So it's free, no purchase necessary or anything like that. I'm going to show you all the yarn in here, but I just wanted to show you the box first. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi everyone, this is Jamie, and this is my channel Creations Misfit. I do a lot of pattern tutorials and yarn haul videos here. Every so often I do a yarn giveaway, which we're going to do today. I just want to let you know I do not have any affiliation with any of these companies. Nobody sends me any yarn for free or anything like that. I paid for all of this out of my own pocket. So you don't have to pay for anything. There's no like hidden anything. I'm just going to choose a winner and send you a box of yarn for free. So there's a couple things that you'll have to know to get started. Today is January 23rd, 2025, and we'll start today and then we'll go through, let's say Wednesday of next week. So I think that will be the 29th, Wednesday 29th of 2025. I will choose a winner on that day. It will be randomized, and we'll use like a wheel spin online, and I'll do a video for that live so that you can see that I'm not cheating. All right, so I'm going to show you some of the yarns, or I'm going to show you all the yarns in the box here, but just a few things up front. There will be 3 things that you'll have to do to be entered into the giveaway. So the first thing is to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I will check this. I feel like it's, if you're getting something for free, you should subscribe. And also, I would love for you to look through videos that I've made already and then be here for the video I'll do next Wednesday. And if you're subscribed, you'll get a notification when that comes up. Because if you're the winner, I'm going to post that, and I'll need you to let me know how to contact you and get your address. All right, so you'll have to subscribe. And then number 2 is to like the video. There's not really a way for me to check and make sure you liked it, but I would appreciate if you did. The algorithm for YouTube is really, it's beneficial if you have likes and comments on your videos. So if you could like it, that would be great. And then the third thing is to comment, but don't do it yet because I'm going to ask you later in the video what I would like you to comment. And I would like people to pay attention to the video of what I'm giving away if you're going to receive something for free. And also, for YouTube, if you just watch like a few minutes of a video, or if you click through all the way to the end or something, that just shows them that you're not interested in the video. So that does not help me get my videos in front of people at all. So I would like you to please stick around, see what yarns I'm giving away, and then you'll leave a comment after the whole video is through. Okay, so those 3 things: subscribe, like the video, and comment. But I'm going to tell you exactly what I would like you to comment later on. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with the yarns in the giveaway. This isn't a huge giveaway. Sometimes I do a really big box. I'm not sure how many yarns are in here right now. I'll count and then put a number up here so you can see. But I was doing an organizing video the other day, which I have available if you'd like to see that. I was organizing my yarn shelves. I'll put a little card up here. You can click on that if you'd like. And I was coming around with some yarns that I'm just not using. So anyway, this first one is 24/7 cotton from Lion Brand, and it's 186 yards, a size medium 4, and the color is goldenrod. I don't usually use this cotton. I usually use I Love This Cotton from Hobby Lobby, but I wanted to make these placemats, which I did, and I'll show you a picture here. And I have a video tutorial for that as well. And it needed like a thicker, like, more rough type of cotton. So that's what I used this for. And I was going to make 5 of them, and I just never got around to it because winter showed up and fall was over and I had fall colors. So I'm going to give a couple of these away. So this is the first one. And any patterns that I talk about in here, I will link the tutorial in the description box. So if you'd like to make any of those things, you can do that. All right, next up is Karen Simply Soft. This is a Yarnspirations yarn, and this is the color Plum. It's a size 4 medium weight. And how many yards did it say? 315 yards. This is a really soft yarn. I use this sometimes, not all the time. All right, next up we have this Lion Brand Comfy Cotton Blend. And this is the color Blueberry Muffin. And this is 392 yards. It's a size 3 lightweight yarn, but it's really pretty. And what did I make with these? I don't know. I've made a bunch of stuff with these. And I actually have, let's see, another one. I have this other one that I've been working with for quite some time, and I still have this much left. So I'm putting it in there. I hope it doesn't seem weird that I'm putting in some yarn that I've already used some of the skein, but I'm just not getting through it fast enough. So I'm going to put that in there. I mean, I haven't used this portion, but I did use some of it. So that's in there as well. And then here are two more of the comfy cotton, or the 24/7 cotton from Lion Brand. This one is Tangerine, and this one is Cafe au Lait, or I don't know, I mispronounced that, I'm sure, but those two colors. And then next up, this is Lion Brand Wool Ease, and this is a hand-dyed yarn. Let's see, 146 yards, medium size, 4 weight. And oh, the color is Lavender Honey. These are really pretty, and I ordered these when they had a sale like 2 or 3 years ago. I ordered, I don't know, I think 10 of them because it was really cheap. It was like $30 for 10 or something. And I never really used hand-dyed hanks of yarn like this, but I've used one and I just never got around to the others. So I gave some away in my last giveaway, and I'm doing some this one too. So I have another one here. This one is called Milky Way. And they are really pretty. I don't know, haven't used them. Okay, next up is Ferris Wheel. These are a lot of Lion Brand yarns. I don't know why. I mean, not that I don't order from them, but I usually order Joann and Hobby Lobby. So this is Lion Brand Ferris Wheel, 270 yards, size 4 medium weight, and the color is Morning Java, and there are two here, same color. So you can make a pretty good project with this. You could probably make a shawl, yeah, because 270 yards at each. I make these, I have a pattern for these fingerless gloves. It's like mermaid scale or dragon scale gloves using the crocodile stitch. I'll put a picture up. And that's what I use. I use this yarn for that because you need a size 3 weight. And I usually use the cotton candy color, I believe it is. But if you want to make those, I'll put that link in the description box as well. They work up pretty quickly and they're so cute. Okay. Next up is Lion Brand Re-Up Recycled Cotton. And this is kind of shoved in here, funny. This is a size 4 medium weight cotton and 117 yards in the color gray. I had just ordered some of these. I'd never tried them before, and I used some of the other colors, but I still had this one left over. And then this next one is Big Twist, which is a Joann brand, and it's arcade. There's 154 yards in here, and this is a size 5 bulky. The color is Black Multi, and it's kind of like a roving yarn, if you've ever used that before. You could make a hat with just this skein. I actually never used this. I bought it because I wanted to try the arcade. I haven't used that yet, but it's been sitting on my shelf, and I needed a few more things to put in the giveaway, so I'm giving this away, sadly. But I hope it makes somebody happy. Okay, next up is, I love this yarn. This is my favorite size 4 yarn. This color is Beret Day. It looks pretty here. Little hat and scarf. And it is a size 4, and you get 252 yards with this. I love this yarn. It's really soft and nice, thick size 4 yarn. Okay, next up is this Peaches and Cream Stripey, and this is a cotton yarn. The color is Evening Sea, and it's 4 ply, and you get 102 yards in each. So I bought these to make book covers, and I'll put some pictures up of the different ones I've made. they're fun. It's just granny squares put together, and they make a great gift. I sold a lot of them on my Etsy shop too, but I use these for that mostly, and I had some extras. Okay, so I'll put that pattern tutorial in the description box as well, if you'd like to make it. All right, next is Lion Brand Hometown yarn, and this is a size 6, super bulky, 81 yards, and the color is Dallas Gray. When I was going through my yarns the other day, I had 4 of these. I'm sure I bought them for some kind of project, but I don't remember what it was. And so I'm giving one away. But it's really soft, lovely yarn. So hopefully you can find something to do with that. So now I just want to say the comment that I'd like you to leave is, and you don't have to leave it right now. I still have 4 more yards to show you, but I'm just putting it in the middle of the video so people hopefully watch through and don't just try to get to the end. But the comment I'd like you to leave is, it's two things in your comment. I'd like you to tell me where you live, because I like to see where this like how far my videos are going. I know I get a lot of comments from all different countries and states, and it really makes me happy to see where people are watching from. So the first part of your comment, I would like you to tell me where you're from or where you live now. And then the second part of the comment, I would like you to tell me what kind of tutorials do you enjoy seeing. It doesn't have to be from my channel. I'm just curious. And besides yarn giveaways, obviously. But if you could tell me what kind of yarn tutorials you enjoy watching, whether it's stitch videos or specific patterns or yarn hauls, organization, something like that, that would be the second part of the comment. So please only leave one comment, because it will, when I do the randomizer, it's like it will ask me if I want to get rid of people that have commented twice, and I will do that because I don't want your, if you comment like 2-3 times, I don't want you to get more chances. So please leave one comment with where you're from and what kind of tutorials you would like to see more of, or what tutorials you enjoy watching. And you can put like a specific something too. It doesn't matter. And what else was I going to say about that? Oh, if your comment just says like, oh, I hope I win or something like that, it's not going to count. And if your comment doesn't have both of those 2 things in it, the where you're from and what tutorials you enjoy watching, it also won't count. So please follow directions there. And I hate to be a stickler about it, but I feel like if you're getting something free, you should, do what you're supposed to do, right? So, yeah, that's that. Okay, moving on. We are almost done here. This is Mandala Tweed Stripes, and it's a size 4 medium weight, 426 yards, and this color is Dragonfly. These are so fun to work with. I make these, have a pattern for, I called it the Everyday Tote, and that's what I used this for. I'll put a picture up, and the description, or the tutorial will be in the description box as well if you'd like to make that. But I mean, I made a bag with this, and I still had plenty left over. Okay, next up is, oh, this is another comfy cotton blend, and this is the size, or the color Mochaccino, 392 yards. And I also make, I have 2 of these because there's just so much in here, but I make these booby koozies, and I sell them as gag gifts and give them to friends, and a lot of bachelorette parties have purchased them, and bachelor parties. But I also give them away for fundraising for breast cancer, and I've had a lot of women who sponsor breast cancer walks and things like that. They've purchased them, and sometimes they ask me to just do like one side, like make them with one breast, or like make them different sizes depending on what they look like after their surgeries and things like that. So if you'd like to make those, I also have a tutorial for it. All right. And then I have this Red Heart Roll With It Sparkle, and this is 561 yards, so there's quite a bit in here. The color is Sedona, and I think it's a size 4. Yeah, size 4 medium. So it's sparkly. There's quite a bit in here. You can make a shawl with just one cake, like a smaller shawl. And that's that. Okay, last one is Premier Puzzle, and this is 328 yards. The color is Riddle or Enigma, I don't know. And it's a size 5 bulky. And this is a really soft yarn. I think I made bags with, I had a bunch of these colors. I think I made bags with them, but it's not my pattern, so I'm not going to post that up. I don't even remember where I found it. But, so that's that. So we are at the end of the video. So please remember, oh, I also want to say I'll ship anywhere. Like you don't have to be in the US. I'll ship anywhere as long as you're able to receive packages. So I know that there are a couple countries that were having trouble receiving packages from the US. If that's you, I'm sorry, I can't send it to you, but if you're able to receive, I will send it. And I also know some countries will charge you once it gets there. I won't be liable for that charge. You'd have to pay that by yourself, but I will pay to ship it initially. So please make sure that you follow all 3 stipulations or whatever you want to call it. Subscribe, like the video, and then comment what I asked you to comment. And I will come back and do a video showing you like the randomizer, and whoever wins, please contact me. Like, I will ask you to leave a comment in that video. Please contact me so that I can get your email and we can get your address so I can send it off next week. So thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. Please take a look at my channel and find some other, maybe you'll find some other patterns that you'd like to make. I have, I don't know, 150 videos, something like that right now. I'm always adding more. So thank you so much. Good luck, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.